Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an easy shrimp wrap using a whole wheat tortilla and just a couple of simple ingredients, really fresh ingredients, but simple ingredients. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. All right, like always, we're going to start off with the ingredients. First ingredient, whole wheat tortilla. Second ingredient, 6 ounces of deveined shrimp already split down the middle, basically butterflied. Third ingredient, Julienne jicama. If you don't know what jicama is, it basically almost tastes like an apple. So you can find it in any grocery store. So this is 2 ounces. 1/4 avocado sliced. 2 ounces Julienne mango. 1 lime cut in half. Olive oil and honey. 1 cup baby arugula. So the first thing we're going to do is make our honey lime vinaigrette. So this is going to go for the arugula to give it a little bit of flavor. So what all you're going to do is take about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, extra virgin preferably. Half a lime squeezed in. Get all that lime juice in there. This is going to be the acid. So instead of being like a vinaigrette, instead of using vinegar, you're using the lime as the acid builder. 2 tablespoons honey. Sorry for the noise, I'm almost out of honey as you can tell. But you need 2 tablespoons. A little pinch of salt. All you're going to do is take a whisk and bring this together. So here you can see it's already almost emulsified, which is what you want. If you're having issues with the whisk, you could always use your blender. But this is perfect. So you're going to set this aside. We're going to use this for later. Now we're going to move over to our stove. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil to our pan. Heat this up to almost smoking. Smoking means high heat, so you want a little bit of smoke to come off, because we're going to cook our shrimp now. So if you cook in low heat, what you do is you steam the shrimp. We don't want to steam the shrimp. We want to get a nice hard sear on them. So make sure you smoke your pan. At this point, it is smoking. You got to be very careful. You can put them right in the middle. And move them around. Let them get a nice little sear going. You're going to season them with a little bit of kosher salt, about 1.5 pinches, a little bit of fresh ground black pepper, and what we're looking is to cook them till almost done, but not overcook them, because they're still going to cook a little bit on their own. You can see by butterflying, it makes them smaller and they start bunching up, which is what you want, because it makes it look like there's even more shrimp in your wrap than there actually is. At this point, they're done. So now we're going to move over and start making the wrap. First thing we're going to do is grab a clean bowl, add our baby arugula. The reason I'm using baby arugula is because of the pepper in it. Adds a little sweetness also. We're going to add our jicama, our mango, our avocado, two tablespoons of our vinaigrette, a little kosher salt. As always, make sure you season everything. Whatever is not seasoned will pull the seasoning from the other ingredient that is seasoned. Now we're going to take a rubber spatula and toss this all together, making sure to get the vinaigrette on every little ingredient. You can see the nice color in here. It's really nice, especially for the summer or even for the spring. You know, it's a very nice light wrap. Not too much fat. Very good amount of protein, very light. So here you can see how nicely coated it already is. So So we're gonna grab our wrap, put it right in the middle. We're gonna put our salad right there. We're gonna take our shrimp. We're gonna finish them with a little lime juice. That's gonna just give it that little boost at the end. So now carefully, you're gonna drop your shrimp down. If they fall off to the side, don't worry, you're gonna pick them up in a little bit. That's all you do. Pick them up, put them in the middle. Now here's where the tricky part goes. You gotta build like a little mound, like that, because now we're gonna fold it. So all I'm gonna do is bring in the sides, use my hands, I go all over the top, bring it down, pinch in the sides, like this, pulling. So here, push down, pull, roll. Push down, pull, roll. Same thing again, push down, pull, and roll. And there you go. So now the only thing left to do is cut it up and plate it. So again, sometimes what you want to do with wraps is actually let them rest for a little bit. That's going to make it more compact, harder. Salad gets harder inside it, so it's more cylinder-like, so then it holds together better. But for the video, we got to cut it. So all I'm going to do is take my knife, cut it on the bias. Get my pretty plate and make my presentation. Again, standing straight up, makes it look nice and beautiful. So there you go. Simple, fast, very fast. I think that was maybe tops 5 minutes, and that's it. Super light, great for any kind of macros you're on, meal prepping, anything. Great amount of protein, fats, and everything. I absolutely love this wrap. As always, leave me a comment, hit subscribe, leave me any messages, any questions, give me ideas for new videos, whatever you guys want to see. Is there recipes that you've always wondered how you make? Let me know. Love you guys. Till next time. Bye.